Hello everyone, in this video we're gonna show you how to install the FortiGate firewall from the Ishare2. First of all, you need to access to the PNet CLI from the secure CRT or super PuTTY. Yeah, so for my side I will choose the secure CRT, and here I am in the PNet, and also you need to search about the 40, okay. So here you have different images. As you can see here, you have the Forti manager and so on. And in our case, we have a Fortinet, the FortiGate version 5.2. So I will download this version. Okay, the ID is 33336. Okay, in our case, so you need to go to Ishare2, pool QMU, then what is the number? Is 336. Okay, nice. Right now is starting download. Yes, right now is already downloaded, and also fixed permission command has been executed correctly, and no need here to go to fix permission like the EVNG. So just you need to refresh your browse. Okay, then go to the Fortinet, and here you have the Fortinet 5.2. For my case, I have also Forti manager. So here, let's access directly to FortiGate. Then go to the save. Then I will also connect it to the net cloud. Okay. You need to go to the network, and here go to the management cloud. Yes. Then connect it like that. Then run your FortiGate. So double click, let's access to secure CRT. Yeah, it's starting. Okay, it's booting. Great. You can see right now I am already in the FortiGate. Okay, the login, it will be admin without password. Just enter. Okay, let's check, for example, show interface or show system interface. Yes, you have the edit port, you have the set VDOM in the root, and also set allow access ping HTTPS, SSH, and FGFM. Okay, set type physical. Great. Right now I need to access from GUI. Okay, so how can do that? I need to go to the system or configuration system interface and go to the edit port one. And let's see, show. First of all, you need to change the mode to to the static one. Then static IP. What is the IP? So the IP, I will give it also for this range, okay, to make sure this Fortinet is reachable from the browse, okay. And here I will use 192.168.174.151 example /24. And regarding the allow access, everything is good. Allow access the ping HTTPS SSH. Yes, great. So now let's make and try to go to the CMD and try to ping this IP address if reachable or not. 192.168.174.151. Okay, let's see if reachable or not. Request timeout. Okay, that's good. Right now is the ping is working. So now let's move here and type the same address 151. Okay, yes, you are here in the FortiGate right now. Just for the password, the name is admin, and for the password we didn't do any password, so just log in directly. And you can also change it. Right now is remind you for the license and the current evaluation mode is 14 days. You have 2 weeks for expiration of this license. Okay, so you can do some tests to in the FortiGate. Okay, that's good. Remind later. Yes, so here you have all about the FortiGate. So I hope so everything is clear. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.